Now, for example, let's try to solve some example in simplifying trigonometric identities. First one, we have the tangent theta, cosine theta all over sine theta. Now, sa pagsisimplify ng mga trigonometric identities, ang laging titignan ay yung mga komplikadong function. Now here, yung komplikadong function dito ay nasa numerator. The tangent theta, cosine theta. Now, what is the equivalent of the tangent theta? What is the ratio? The ratio of tangent theta is equal to sine theta all over the cosine theta. Therefore, we can say that the numerator is sine theta over the cosine theta times the cosine theta over the sine theta. Then, simplify. Since this is multiplication, since this is over 1, this is cancel. And ang natira ay sine over sine. Therefore, what is sine over sine? That is equal to 1. Bakit naging 1? Because the numerator is equal to sine theta. And the denominator is sine theta rather. Therefore, sine theta over sine theta is equal to 1. Again, sa pagsisimplify at sa pagpuproving, ang laging titingnan or sa pagpuprove, ang laging titingnan ay ang yung mga komplikado or complicated function. For example, number 2. Here, simplify the cosine theta over cotangent theta. Here, the complicated function is yung nasa denominator, the cotangent theta. Therefore, what is the equivalent of cotangent? Diba, the cotangent that is equal to, using the Shawshak-Cow, that is x over y or adjacent over the opposite. Therefore, this is cosine over sine. Therefore, the denominator is cosine over sine using the KFC. Ano ang mapiflip sa atin? Ay, ang makikip rather. Ano ang makikip? We have the numerator, cosine theta. Anong mapiflip? Yung itong denominator, kung ito ay cosine theta over sine theta, kapag nag-flip siya, ano na siya? That is sine theta over cosine theta. Ano yung ma-change? Yung operation magiging multiplication. Then, since this is over 1, anong mangyayari? It is cancel. Sine times 1, that is sine theta. Kaya ang sagot niya, kapag sinimplify daw yung ating function na cosine theta over cotangent theta, that is equal to sine theta. Next one.